Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A picture frame is hanging by two vertical strings. The tension in the strings are 3.8 Newton and 4.4 Newton. Find the weight of the picture. Solution. Given data, T1 is equal to 3.8 Newton and T2 is equal to 4.4 Newton. These two strings bear the weight of the frame. So W, weight of the frame, is equal to sum of all the tension 1 plus tension 2, which is equal to 3.8 Newton plus 4.4 Newton, which is equal to 8.2 Newton. So W, which is the weight of the picture frame, is equal to 8.2 Newton. Next question is 4.8. Two blocks of masses 5 kg and 3 kg are suspended by two strings as shown in figure. Find the tension in each. I draw the picture here, figure here. One block is 5 kg and the other is 3 kg. Let's solve this. Tension in the string is equal to W1 plus W2, and tension in this string is equal to W2. This is W1 and this is W2. W1 is equal to M1G. Here M1 is equal to 5 kg and M2 is given us 3 kg. W1 M1G is equal to 5 into 10 is equal to 50 Newton, while W2 is equal to M2 into G is equal to 3 into 10 is equal to 30 Newton. So tension 1 is equal to 50 plus 30 Newton, or T1 is equal to 80 Newton. Now T2 is equal to W2, or T2 is equal to 30 Newton. T2 is equal to 30 Newton. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any problem in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Thank you.